morning, everyone. We are in the car. We decided to take a little road trip today. We're heading about an hour or so away to a place that we have been so excited to go see for a couple years now. And so we got a little bit of a road trip ahead of us, and we will check in with you guys when we get there. All right, we made it to Baker's Creek, right here. Ooh. So we just pulled up. We haven't gone exploring yet, but we're getting little man out of the car. He just fell asleep a little bit ago, so hopefully he wakes up so he can see everything. We'll check in with you guys here in a minute. Little man knows where he wants to go.
No frog and no fish.
I'm looking at some okra. Okra plants.
Is there any onions? I mean, this is all of your onions.
There's more back here.
Well, I know, I saw.
So my husband walked away with my son. It's not real busy here today. So I just found a rocking chair on the porch of the old apothecary building. I'm good. How cute is this little place? For real though. What do you think, Papa?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. It is so good. If you come to Baker Creek, make sure these flies are terrible. Make sure you get the cinnamon roll. Alright. Now that I need to walk off that cinnamon roll, that was intense. Oh my god, so good. MJ, whether it's toys or animals or fish, he is glued. Here are the fish. Quite a few koi fish, and you will watch they swarm to you. They know what's up. They know where the food is.
I love those gold ones.
Yes.
Koi.
Here they come. Look at them. I think they're getting food.
Sorry, guys.
There's nothing more precious than watching your kid be interested in something so innocent and so natural. It's just awesome. It's very old-timey here. These trees all together. Super cool little forest. Even some old-time wagons. I don't know if they're remade. I imagine they are to look old, but they're cool regardless. There goes MJ down the dirt path. loofah gourds. That's a big turkey. Is it not?
Yeah.
Oh, there's MJ.
All right, everyone, and that was our day trip to Baker's Creek. We will definitely be back. We didn't get to see everything that they had there. We weren't aware that to get to go into the greenhouses, you needed to call ahead so someone could sort of give you a guided tour. So we didn't know that, but we will definitely be back. Their seed selection was absolutely incredible. We got some really cool stuff that we will show you guys later, but go ahead and like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video, and we will see you guys later.